Hi, I'm Ehsan Bahrami. Welcome to this video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install Python on your system and run your very first Python code. In the first part, we'll cover how to download and install Python. Then we'll make sure everything is set up correctly. And finally, we'll run our code using two different methods. Before we get started, I suggest you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, setting it to all so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded and won't miss out. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and drop a comment. It really helps keep me motivated. To continue with the tutorial, let's switch over to the laptop where we'll walk through each step of the process in a practical and detailed way. For installing Python, first we need to download it. So we open our browser and go to the python.org website. From Downloads menu item in header, you can access latest version of Python based on your operating system. After completion of Python downloading, you can click on it and start Python installation. In installation wizard, you can see two links: install now, customize installation. You can use install now for easy installation. Then click on the yes button. It shows setup was successful. Now you can click on disable path length limit to disable this limitation. And after that, click on the yes button. Click on close button. Now you install Python on your system successfully and easily. To check successful Python installation, you can press Windows button on your keyboard and then type cmd, press enter button and open a command prompt. In the command prompt, you can type this command: python --version. And you can see version of your Python on your system. Now we want to run our first Python code. There are two ways: script mode and interactive mode. First, we test interactive mode. So press Windows button on your keyboard, then type cmd, press enter. You can see command prompt. In the command prompt, type Python command and press enter. Now you can write your first Python code directly. For example, print hello world. And at the end, press enter button. It shows you hello world message. For closing this section, write exit command and press enter. Now we use second method, script mode. In the script mode, the Python code runs from a file. First, we create a file. On your desktop, right-click, choose New and New Text. Now assign a name for your file. Then we change file extension from .txt to .py. So we open File Explorer. Go to View section and from Show, click on File Name Extensions. Now it shows me file extensions. and we can change it from txt to py. Next, to edit the file, right click on it, click on show more options, and edit in IDLE. Now you can write down your Python code in this editor. For example, we write the same code, print hello world. Save our file and close it. Then open the command prompt. In the command prompt, write Python and in front of Python command, write the path of file. You can get the path of file in this way. Now press enter button and it shows hello world message, same as the first method. If you watched this video to the end, you should now be able to install Python on your own and run any Python code you have. It's that simple. Thank you for sticking with me through this video. If you'd like to support me in creating more content, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and set it to all so you'll be notified as soon as a new video is up. Your like and comments mean a lot to me, and I always try to read and respond to them. Until the next video, take care everyone.